Hello everyone, this is Wakas Ahmed, and today we're going to do an interesting tutorial about one of my recently asked me, he's HR manager and he's facing problem to manage the CV via email. Like there's a startup company, they don't have any resources, and that was the main challenge for them. They do not have budget for this, but he is looking for if there is some kind of free solution available. So I thought about the free AWS services which can be used to manage the CV. We're gonna call it like CV manager. In this architecture, we use a static website and we host publish the website using S3. S3 come in the free tier. We use API gateway to post the request. API gateway gonna trigger Lambda function, and Lambda function what it will do, it will get the CV which is uploaded on the web page and move the CV to the S3 bucket, and at the same time it will also send an email notification to HR that the CV has been received for the candidate. So API Gateway and Lambda, they provide like 1 million free requests for a month. So it's kind of free, great deal. 1 million is too much in a month. Like you can't hit the limit. And if you you want to reduce the number of the throttling requests for anything, you can create the usage plan in API Gateway, and you can limit the user to like hit 3 times, send the resume 3 times, and then it will give access denied to the user. So let's jump in. So for the S3 bucket, I'm not going to go into detail. I just created one bucket. It's called resume manager. In that bucket, if I go to the properties and you go all the way down, I have enabled the static website hosting, and that's the bucket URL, the website hosting. And I have uploaded a very simple index.html file just to give the page. This is how the page gonna look like. It will be like upload your resume, and I think let me minimize this so you can completely read the page. So this is how it's gonna look like. Upload for your resume. To apply for the job, you're gonna choose what kind of the file, and you will click submit. Once you're gonna click the submit will send the resume to the API gateway. API gateway will forward your resume to the Lambda, and Lambda will push it to the S3 and send the notification to HR. So this is the flow. Let me quickly jump to the SNS and show you the SNS configuration. So that's kind of simple. Like SNS, I created one SNS topic and I have subscribed my email address, as a subscriber of this topic, and that's the ARN of the SMS. So what you need to do, simply go to the Lambda function, create one Lambda function, and I'm using Python as a handler in the 3.6 Lambda function. I have already pasted this code. I will go very high level on this code. So what this code is doing, actually, we are importing Boto3 and email libraries here, and we are calling the client S3 and SNS here. We are checking, getting the file in the event. From that, we are seeing if the multi-part in the file. We're gonna upload the file, whatever the file is coming to this AWS Cloud Trail logs bucket. This bucket, the file gonna be pushing, we will be, and this is topic IRN, like where it gonna trigger the email, and this is what the email is gonna say. And if this code runs successfully, it will return the 200 message with a body like thank you for your interest for applying job. So this is kind of simple. I will give you this complete code. Looking toward the API gateway real quick. So we have created one resource. It's called upload. We created one method. It's a post method. We have enabled, you can see, AWS Lambda proxy for integration, and you can see the Lambda function. This is Lambda gateway. That's the name of my Lambda function which I was showing you here, Lambda dash gateway. So that's the function name. I have integrated the REST API with this function. Okay, and so yeah, that's pretty much it about this setup. So if I go to this page, like it's on S3 bucket, I click on choose a file. It asks me where the file is. Let's say this is my resume Wakas Ahmed, and I will hit submit, and let's see. Okay, so after hitting the submitted, I got the message, thank you for your interest in this job and we will get back to you soon. Okay, so hopefully it has sent the, so let me go to my S3 bucket and see if the S3 forwarded that. So this was the S3 bucket, like I showed you in the code, AWS Cloud Trail log, and that's the S3 bucket. So this is the S3 bucket where it forwarded my resume. Let's see, and here it is. Vakas Ahmed's resume. I have received this resume, and now let's check my email address and see if I got any notification from AWS or no. So let me refresh this page real quick. And Urla, I got the mail and saying that job application has been received. Check the bucket for all the resume. So this is simple. Like all the services are in the free tier. Again, we user are accessing the website, so you can access the web page from anywhere using the S3 power. It will use the API post REST API to post the email to Lambda. Lambda will trigger this the notification to the HR and save the resume to the S3 bucket. And this is how you can create a very simple solution using AWS Free Tier and use the free services in AWS and enjoy it. Thank you for being with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know about the comment section. Thanks.